How would you like to earn $10 via PayPal for 10 minutes surfing websites? Best of all, it is worldwide. What's up everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly that. But first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online and work from home opportunities on a consistent basis, and hit that notification bell also to be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so I discovered a new site yesterday actually, and of course I wanted to share it with you here as fast as possible. So basically what I saw on the site is that you earn $10, you get paid $10 via PayPal for 10 minutes of surfing a website. And best of all, as I said, it is worldwide. Keep in mind, you won't get rich with this kind of opportunity, so if you're interested in making a long-term business and making some serious money online, you should definitely check out the link in my description here below. But we'll save that for the end of this video, so first let's get started with making $10 for surfing a website in 10 minutes. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so the site that we're going to have a look at is Analysia.com. You can see it right here at the top. And it is about test your website performance by real users. So that's where you can come in, of course. And usually companies, they arrive here because they want to test the website, how easy it is to find a few things. Let's say, for example, that they upload some products there, and they want to see how easy it is to find it. So what you do is you actually go through the site, just like I do right here now. So maybe they ask you like, can you see where the solutions is? And I say, the solutions, yeah, right here. So what you do actually, you do record your screen, and of course with a microphone. So you do need to tell them exactly how easy it was to find it and so on. So it is really simple. And this is actually when companies arrive to the site here. So if we go here and have a look at the FAQ, how does it work? You simply ask us what task you want our users to perform. Example given: purchasing online, find a specific information about a product, and you will be able to see a narrated video from users. And that is where you can come in. Usually you do need to respond within 48 hours, so it's good to have a look at this FAQ actually also. We suggest to define a main objective about your site, and who are your users. You can see here they have a large panel of users, especially from North America, but also in Europe and other parts of the world. And here is where you can come in actually. How can I become a tester? So we do need to go to Analysia.com user here, okay? And you can see here, share your experience, we want your opinion. You get paid surfing website while telling us what you think. $10 for 10 to 15 minutes. Now, what does the test involve? You will be asked to read some instructions and complete tasks on a website. This session will be recorded, your screen and audio will be saved. It typically takes about 15 minutes. Anybody with an internet connection and a microphone, we accept a good variety of users from many locations and many different profiles. So you can see here that it is worldwide. Now what I would do, I would focus on having a pretty decent microphone at least to get a good sound. I've been working with sound for many years, so I'm all about it. But I think also that they appreciate it much better if you have pretty good sound. Although a good laptop that you have bought recently will definitely do the job. Keep in mind to be close to the microphone. That will help, of course, a lot. The better sound, the better they will be impressed actually. So they might use you again and again and again. The test takes about 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. You will get paid $10 for each test. And as you can see here, we will send you a payment via PayPal. Now, you will get an email from us when we need you to complete a task, so you will have to wait here. And Also, let's have a look at this. This opportunity is very popular, getting paid $10 for just a few minutes. Many testers want that, and statistically they are less customers than testers. So you cannot expect to do a test per day. That's why I always recommend to sign up for a few of these sites, and I shared already a few other testing sites here, usertesting.com and so on. So if you want to focus on this method to make a few extra bucks, you definitely want to sign up for more than only one site. But as I said, you won't get rich with this kind of opportunities here, but you will of course make a few extra bucks. So that is about Analysia.com. And that is how you can earn $10 via PayPal for just surfing around in 10 minutes of your time. Now keep in mind, as I said, you won't get rich with this kind of opportunity. So if you're interested in building a real online business and making some serious money online, you should definitely check out the link in my description below here. Now, if you got some value out of this video, I really appreciate if you hit the like button below. Before you leave, you will see an end screen here, and I do have 2 channel recommendations. I highly suggest you to subscribe to both these channels. They are both related to make money online and work from home opportunities. So make sure to subscribe to both the channels and hit the notification bell also to be notified every time I upload new videos. Plus you will also see another video recommendation. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon.